Hello everyone, today we're going to watch this lesson on metric conversion using dimensional analysis. As you can see in this table, we've got SI base units. These are the units used to measure different quantities. For example, length is in meters, mass kilograms, time seconds, etc. We also have prefixes, and as you can see in the prefixes, they go along with any base unit, such as grams, liters, meters. You can see in that highlighted in yellow, right, we have the base, which is 1, and all of the prefixes are a power of 10. Let's do an example problem. We're going to convert 127 milligrams into grams. So to start, we'll have 127 milligrams. That's our starting point. And what I want to turn this into is grams. So I write this over to the right to show that this is my end goal. So 127 milligrams to grams. Now, according to the previous slide, right, when we're looking at the prefixes, right, we've got 127 milligrams. We know that a milligram is a milligram, or 0.001 gram. Another way we can look at this is 1,000 milligrams is equal to 1 gram. And it might be easier to work with counting zeros when you're doing metric to metric conversions, and you'll see as we set this up. So we're going to, this is my little time sign, as we multiply, we're going to multiply a conversion factor. So the conversion factor shows us, well, if I have milligrams up here, I'm going to have milligrams on the bottom because we want the units to cancel. And then on top, I'm going to have grams because that's my end goal. That's what I want to have, is grams. So when I'm looking at these conversions, I want to use this conversion here to fit into this conversion factor up here. This is an equivalent. It's kind of like a fraction where 1 gram on top is going to be equal to 1,000 milligrams on the bottom. And so 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligram. We can use it as a conversion. So if you look at the units, since I have milligrams on top and milligrams on bottom, they cancel, and the unit I'm left with is grams, which is what we want. So I'm going to calculate this, and I'm going to calculate it where in my calculator, I can do 127 divided by 1,000. Now I actually don't need to do a calculator because when you're multiplying or dividing by powers of 10, you're really just moving that decimal over. So if I'm dividing it by 1,000, that's 3 zeros, I can take my decimal and move it over three parts to the left. So now my decimal is over here. So my answer to 127 divided by 1,000 is 0.1270. Watch your significant figures, right? 127.0, this is 4 significant figures. And then my answer also has 4 significant figures. And that's what we want. You can use the metric conversions with other ways. Sometimes you'll be multiplying by a power of 10 or dividing by a power of 10, but the point is you want to make sure that the units cancel. Hope this helps.